Well, today we will dwell on many solutions to resolve the move to iOS stuck on calculating time remaining issue. Additionally, we will also introduce a move to iOS alternative that ensures a seamless transfer from Android to iOS. Now, let's delve into the solutions. Part 1. Fix move to iOS stuck on calculating time remaining in 12 quick ways. Way 1. Stop using your phones when transferring. Way 2. Inspect storage space on iPhone. Way 3. Check the requirements before using the app. Way 4. Disable smart network switch on Android. Way 5. Quit apps that running in the background. Way 6. Enable airplane mode on Android. Way 7. Forget Wi-Fi settings. Way 8. Disable Wi-Fi power saving. Way 9. Toggle off cellular data. Way 10. Update devices firmware. Way 11. Restart your Android and iOS devices. Part 2. Use move to iOS alternative to avoid its time remaining estimating. Can I move data from Android to iPhone without waiting a long time? Certainly. Mobican Transfer for mobile is an excellent option. This software provides a seamless experience with a simple one-click solution. Download, install the program, and connect Android and iPhone via USB. Follow on-screen instructions for device recognition. Confirm device positions Android left, iPhone right, or use flip button. Select file types. Click Start Copy to initiate the transfer from Android to iPhone.